you disappear every time. Very good.
Yeah. He escaped.
I want to see your hideout. Okay, friends. Friends and Mr. Dongre, highly respected officers are here. But I'm really saddened what's happening today. This is not a public hearing. This is a farce. They are trying to bluff us. And Mr. Ajit Roy, I hope you could come and hear. Hearing means you have to hear us. If the collective himself is not willing to hear us and disappear every time we speak, this is unfair.
अरे तो MC रे.
A public hearing means public.
अरे he's
When
MC.
public is not allowed inside, you are doing police hearing here. All policemen here.
He's a compare.
And we are what, terrorists? What are we? We are criminals? Are we thieves? Why so many policemen here? The public hearing should have been involving every public. And it would have been peaceful. There are so many public hearings we had. We never had this problem of public being stopped. How can a public be stopped for a public hearing? I was stopped. I was at number 5. I was told by the police, my name is not there, my number is not there, nothing is there.
Yeah.
At the GCZMA, my number was 15. Here they put it 5. So when I entered here, I said my number is 15.
It's all rigged.
It's rigged, whatever, deemed, whatever. But the point is, if public has no value in a democracy, so this turns out to be a farce. These people are under political pressure. Here in the notification they have said no political statement, no politics. But here they become political puppets.
Yes.
And what we are fighting is our struggle is to save Goa. We are not come for tamasha. Kala Academy is for drama. This is not dramatics. This is our future. Our livelihoods, our really survival is at stake. So please, Mr. Ajit Roy, don't take it lightly. Take it seriously. We are seriously concerned the way the way the government is going forward with this draft plan to destroy Goa. This is not a plan, this is destruction. This is what they're planning is to destroy Goa. And we will not allow it. It will be over our dead bodies. We will not allow the destruction of Goa. Will we allow? No! I want it louder. Will we allow? No way we will allow this destruction of Goa. Please, Mr. Ajit Roy, you speak by your conscience. Don't be heartless. Please, I have high respect for you. I know you are a pride officer, but don't get carried away by these corrupt politicians who are out to destroy Goa. No, he may not be gone, doesn't matter. But the thing is, if you have a heart for the environment, you have a heart for the coastal, entire Goa coast, or the people who are,
The coast is up for sale.
You see what is happening? All our sand dunes are destroyed, our trees are destroyed, our hills are destroyed, our rivers are destroyed. What is left of Goa? The other day I went to Kandoli beach, entire sand dune is destroyed. Right from Singeli to Baga, there is no sand dune left. All construction and destruction. So here we have come to get an opportunity to speak about this GCDMA plan, draft plan. And what we are seeing, we have been surrounded by police. We are criminals. They want to arrest us. What wrong we have done, Mr. Policeman? You tell us, have we done anything wrong here? Have we been violent?
Then
So please, we are getting so frightened. We are looking like I never seen so many policemen around me. At least sit down, please, because we are being intimidated here. Anyway, this is what public hearing. It looks like a policeman's hearing. Please sit down and relax. We are not nothing against you. I respect. That's nice. Please. I can speak freely. I can feel freely to speak. Sit down. We will not create any commotion. We will not create any. We are not coming for trouble. See, policemen and the officers, they are all paid. They get their salaries. We have come for an unpaid job. We have sacrificed our time, our resources, our energy. We are not here. We are not earning anything. Mr. Dongre, you know us. We are here to serve and save our environment. So please assist us to conduct this hearing in a manner where every public, every person, every citizen of the state can participate from North Goa. If you deprive that opportunity for us, then this is not a public hearing. You cannot call this a public hearing. This is just a farce. I'm not going even by the legalities. I'm saying common sense. Allow us to speak in a manner where everybody can participate. Why can't the collector tell the police at the gate to allow? Open the gate. Open the gate, allow. I give you guarantee that nobody will disturb the hearing. Allow the people. How can you hold a hearing without a public? A public hearing, not public. Or have it the policeman. I have no problem. If you don't have police hearing, have it the policeman. If you don't want people to participate, this is a democracy. We are in a democracy. We are not in an autocracy. Yeah? No, doesn't matter. Whatever speakers, it's okay. But I deprive people who are registered to enter this place and participate in the public hearing. Yeah?
तुम्ही आता बोला कित्याक जालें तूं उलयतना ती त्याच सांगताली
I am not speaking on the GCD. I am not going to speak.
ती आसा मायकार तू कित्याक मायक घेतलो मायक ती
बाबा तुझे नाव काढलं नाही माहिती घेतला तुझा प्रॉब्लेम आहे
आम्ही घेतला
हा
आम्ही
अरे I am on line with her. What is saying? What is the issue? We are not here to fight amongst us.
तू मायक कित्याक घेतलो ती आसतना तू मायक कित्याक घेतलो जाल्यार
No. I have every right to speak. My name was called. I have right to speak. You can't. Nobody can stop me from speaking. I speak my mind. I have every right to speak. I have every right to sir. Swapnesh, you can't stop me from speaking. You're not an autocrat. Okay? Don't give me this bullshit story. You can't speak. I have every right to speak. Who can stop me from speaking? I'm here for public hearing. I am speaking. I will speak. I will continue to speak. I will continue to speak. You can't stop my voice. Then I am speaking. Your turn comes. You speak. I will speak. I am fighting for Goa. You can't stop me from defending Goa. Okay?
Sir, that's what police are required. That's what police are required.
No, I don't call policemen. I can face anybody. You call the military also, I will make you face military. No. I have come here for a public hearing. My point is what? Conduct the public hearing in a manner the public hearing should be conducted. You can't have a public hearing without the public. If somebody wants to have a public hearing without the public, no. Sir, Mr. Dogre, we have a high respect for you. This is a public hearing. So please conduct in a manner a public hearing has to be conducted. That is our request. Can it be conducted or not conducted? Please let us know. We cannot go forward because we are just stuck here.
Postpone it, yes.
So you take a call what is to be done when you are not conducting a hearing. So please, we are tired of this drama. Please take a call that we can't go ahead with this drama.
Madam, do forget.
Oh, yeah. I agree with you. I completely agree with you. You already see. I didn't want to repeat what you said. I agree with you, but I didn't want to repeat the same thing. But nobody can stop my voice expressing what I have to say.
Anil.
give mic to
See, they have become statues. I don't know why.
give mic to her
Mr. Ajit Roy, your time is up.
give the mic to her
You got a mic?
अरे बाबा ही कला अकादमी माझ्या मामान गेल्या सूर्या विष्णू वाघान आणि त्या कला अकादमीचेर बसून फटींगपणा करू नका. ही वॉज अ फाउंडर मेंबर हियर अँड देन माय हजबंड विष्णू सूर्या वाघ. त्या ह्या नटराजाच्या वास्तूर बसून फटींगपणा करू नका डोंगरे साहेब.
Very good, madam. Very nice.
सर काय डिसिजन झालंय? माझे प्रश्न तुम्ही आन्सर नाही केलात. तुम्ही इलिगली हिअरिंग घेताय. 60 दिवस लोकांना नाही दिले मॅप बघायला आणि 15 दिवस तुमचं जे व्हेन्यू चेंज झालंय त्याचे 15 दिवस व्हायला पाहिजे होते ते पण नाही दिले. इलिगल घेताय. काहीतरी आन्सर करा सर याच्यावरती. प्रेशर कुणाचा आहे? आमचे एमएलए फ्रान्सिस सिल्वेरा आहे तिथे, ते काय तुमचं असेल ते करतील बरोबर.
भिवपाची गरज ना.
सर साहेबांना बोलू का, आमदार साहेबांना आमच्या?
If you are not giving any answers, how the meeting can
Wait.
go on?
Let us speak.
Don't do that. Keep us away. Don't do that.
He does it well, yeah.
He's doing it well. Don't do that.
Thank you. I request next speaker, Mr. Thomas Rodriguez. Next speaker, Mr. Thomas Rodriguez. Kindly come forward. Mr. Thomas Rodriguez.
They will say.
Sri Thomas Rodriguez.
They will say everyone is hot and they will not.
Speaking there means we are cooperating with them. There's success of them because no one should speak.
Correct. No one should
Need to be answered.
I request all the participants to occupy their seat and help fellow participants when their opportunity comes.
Please don't go and speak there. The moment you speak there, we are cooperating. Let us call out the names.
Mr. Thomas Rodriguez.
No Thomas Rodriguez.
Sri Thomas Rodriguez.
Absent.
Give an answer to Aruna.
For the benefit of the House, as it was said at the beginning, all your inputs are being recorded, which will be examined and which will help in improving the draft CZNP.
You should be shameful. Shame to chair such a meeting. You are acting like a stooge of the government. You are acting like a rubber stamp. Give time.
Mr. Roy, one question. Why are registered people kept outside? Answer that. Why are registered people kept outside? Answer that
Registered
first.
or unregistered, all the people should be here.
Why are people outside?
Public should be here.
Why are people kept outside? Answer that first and conduct the hearing. This is a drama being staged by you. This is a drama being staged by you. We are not willing to be part of it. Why are people kept outside? Stop the drama.
At the public hearing, each and every person who is here is telling you nicely to postpone the hearing. It is a public decision, it is a unanimous decision of this meeting today.
Yes, please record it.
Please record this and as a respect
And
for those who
postpone
are
the
attending
meeting.
the meeting, you put it in your
Take it
minutes that
properly.
the public is asking for a postponement of the meeting on legal terms. We are not asking you for a favor.
Does everyone want this meeting to be postponed?
Let us vote out for this.
As I said earlier also, we have taken your inputs on record. Now I request all the participants to occupy their seats. Allow fellow speakers to come and put up their points. Sri Thomas Rodriguez.
And the input taken can be legal for an illegal meeting. What are you talking? Do you know the law? Can the input taken for an illegal meeting, can they be legal in the court of law? So what are you talking? Postpone it.
Sri Thomas Rodriguez.
Stop the drama. Why?
He's talking like a robot there.
You are not listening, you're just repeating yourself.
You are getting your salary. You have to struggle to take your salary.
I'm telling you, please hold that respect in public, please. I'm begging of you. Hold that respect, get up and go. This is an illegal meeting you are taking part of.
तुझे इंसल्ट जाता.
Don't do this for yourself.
I request all participants to permit other fellow participants to speak. All your points will be taken on record. Please allow all the participants to speak up.
Shame on you.
No one will speak. No one will speak. Nobody will speak.
Sir, nobody wants to speak.
Speak.
You answer that. You answer. You answer my question outside. Please answer first.
There is
You
no
answer people get outside. Registered. Do this autocracy for public. You are not a democratic officer now. Please. You yourself are telling us to practice democracy and yourself are making autocracy. Come on, please. Do not let down these people. These people are come with a hope. For the villages, we are come with a hope over here for our lands. You people are just bulldozing this way.
Mother Goa.
You all are degrading your post.
Sir, please
At least have some respect for this Goa and the Goans.
Please respect the mandate
not
of this
bulldoze.
meeting. We are all registered people who have
You
come
know you
inside.
have authority,
We are
but
officially
please do
talking
not
over here,
misuse
not out of
authority.
turn. We are officially talking. You have registered us. We are registered members for this meeting. And all the registered members, maximum of us, except the 5 of you who are on stage, are not saying that you all want the postponement. But we all who are here are saying we want the meeting postponed. You have to honor this.
Roshan, registered members are outside also. Roshan, registered members are kept outside.
Let me go on record to say, Mr. Collector, you are only conducting the meeting for member secretary and for the GCZMA. You are
not doing it for the public.
What not to do. It is them who has to take a decision.
Shame on you.
Listen to the public.
Sri Thomas Rodriguez.
Position, a joke.
It's like a KG student repeating you.
Mr. Roy, why are registered people outside? Answer that first.
They are programmed with the matter. It's going on. It's a public hearing. Public wants the meeting to be postponed. Are you listening?
I request each participant to help other fellow participants. Please take your seat.
Don't get that. Can you listen? It's a no. It's a big no.
All your inputs are being taken on record.
For an illegal meeting. पप्पू सावंत का प्रोग्राम केला पप्पू सावंत हे केला प्रोग्राम केला
Mr. Collector, you are a judicial authority also. There is a preliminary objection here by the public that this meeting is illegal and you cannot have it. Now, will you give answer to that?
If you can justify that it is a legal meeting, then we will decide what.
Then the meeting will proceed. What are you doing?
You are the collector, sir.
Please respect the woman. Tomorrow's
There is already a preliminary objection.
When
You
your
have to
turn
decide on
comes,
that first.
all the points will be taken on record. Please
Then
speak when your turn comes.
decide, no?
Right now it's Mr. Thomas Rodriguez.
You decide on the preliminary issue first. That
And the
lady is
next
standing
speaker
there.
is Sri Prasad Harmalkar. Sri Prasad Harmalkar, please come.
Don't allow her to come in. Your police are stopping them to come inside.
Sri Prasad Harmalkar.
Asher, he's got government here, the bus collector. You can detain me, Mr. Collector. But but you're the worst collector who's not listening to the public. Shame on you.
Shri Prasad Harwalkar.
The public is screaming, they're giving our time for Goa. You are not giving your time. You're just getting paid over there.
Hey, let's start it. Stop the hearing. 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 Stop the
I request all the participants to help with their inputs on this draft Caesar entry for Goa. Please take your seat and speak when your turn comes.
Tomorrow is Women's Day. I hope you are married. If you have children, I don't know, but please respect the woman here. Please respect tomorrow's Women's
Shri
Day.
Thomas Rodrigues. Shri Prasad Harwalkar.
Stop it. Nobody is going to speak there. Allow the registered people inside first.
Mr. Roy, answer to
We are not part of this illegal meeting. Stop the drama. Not allowed.
Government will not be allowed to sell the course.
You stop this drama. Stop this fast. Going on.
Answer to Aruna Wagh first is still waiting. Don't speak up and speak till you answer her first, Mr. Roy. Are your 5 minutes up, Mr. Roy?
Sir, is her time up? We are waiting for the 4-minute bell from last 1.5 hours. Let me ring that bell, no? Then
Where is the bell?
Shri Prasad Harwalkar. Please help your fellow participants to bring their points on board. Please help your fellow participants to bring their points on board.
We have lost. Accept it. We have lost.
Mr. Roy, listen to the media.
Yes, don't make the mistake.
Please give some respect to Mr. Roy. Don't listen to the puppets. You have your own brain, Mr. Roy. Listen to the public. It's a public hearing. Please answer to Aruna Wagh first. She's been sitting there on that step for a very long time.
We will speak when the entire public comes in. They want to hear what we speak. Yes. Allow the entire public to come inside.
Allow the public.
Public hearing has to be heard by public. Allow the crowd to come out. They are all waiting.
Please speak when your turn comes. Now, I would like to invite Shri Thomas Rodrigues and Shri Prasad Harwalkar.
Match fixing. Fantastic, Mr. Roy.
Permission for EP, you give permission for carnival, but you can't get public to come inside for a public hearing. Take it as Allah.
Outright sale of Goa to Delhiites, to Bombayites.
All the people
Outright sale of Goa. They want our beaches.
Goa.
They want all the beautiful beaches, all the Delhi people.
Perfect.
That is why they are doing all this drama. We will not allow Goa to be sold.
We will not allow.
Don't say Goa, please. Listen to the
Not
public.
please. They don't have the right to sell our Goa.
Yes.
Postpone the meeting, Mr. Roy. Please don't stand there like a puppet, please.
It's a drama, not a meeting here.
And it should be on the normal grounds for public.
The government of Goa and
I'm
the
calling the
politicians are
names as per the list. Who want to volunteer and come forward are invited. We appreciate all the points which are being brought before the committee. I have a full list of the participants. Those who want to volunteer and come forward are invited to come and speak up. And I request all the participants to help fellow participants in bringing their points on the board.
You stood for long now.
You should be ashamed of your boast.
Eat butter noda.
What is your boast?
It's a puppet.
Decision we are public are order for
We only ask for postponement of the meeting. Postpone the meeting. Postpone the meeting.
Are you satisfied with this meeting? Yes or no?
We have one more speaker by the name Victor Fernandez from Jivar. Those speakers who want to volunteer and come forward are invited to come and speak. Use this opportunity to bring all the points on board. And I request all the participants to help their fellow participants in this exercise. Okay, thank you.
When the collector is not there, whom you are going to take? He does not want to listen to us.
Sir, they are making joke of all of us.
It's a joke of collector listen to us. So why are you speaking?
So sir, please don't speak till he comes.
He does not want to listen to us. So why are you speaking?
Don't speak.
Gerald, your name is not called.
Yeah.
Gerald, your name is not called.
Yes, Mike.
Ladies and gentlemen, I am Gerald Fernandez. I have a right to speak and I shall speak, notwithstanding anything else. I call upon the collector to be present.
Yes.
We are waiting for the collector.
Margao meeting is postponed.
For the benefit of the House,
Just now I got
this is a public hearing on draft CZMP which has been prepared by Goa Coastal Zone Management Authority. The role of District Magistrate is to help organize this public hearing. I am present at the venue. Thank you.
No, you present. You be present.
Thank you, Mr. Collector. Thank you, Mr. Collector, for organizing this public meeting. I would like to place on record that the entire scheduling of this meeting is in breach of prescribed law. And therefore, this meeting requires to be reheard again.
Yes.
And subject to the qualifications and the objections raised by the public out here. Since we have already come here and spent a valuable Sunday and maybe spent more than 2 hours. It's 12:40 now. So we've spent more than 2 hours. Let us try and see whether we can utilize the balance of the time productively. Subject to the caveat that this meeting is in breach of law, subject to the caveat that this meeting has successfully succumbed to the filibuster by the people of Goa, which is on record, and hopefully this has been recorded and the previous demonstrations have been recorded. My own opinion is that the rest of the time available could be used to hear the objections or the suggestions, and since this time has got wasted, obviously another meeting would be necessary. Another meeting would be necessary, since even going by the prescribed notice of 5 minutes being allowed to each speaker, it is a statistical impossibility that people who have been registered for this meeting could speak. So subject to all these caveats, perhaps it would be a good idea that we move on forward instead of just clapping.
We are cooperating and the meeting is carried. The moment we speak.
Yeah, I completely respect the will of the people, and I subject myself to it, but it is not going to be a one-way traffic. It has to be a two-way traffic. Just by sheer numbers, shouting cannot drown out the voice of another co-citizen who's equally interested in the land of Goa. Please hear me out, sir. Please hear me out. Please hear me out. We require, therefore, my suggestion to the collector who's coordinating this meeting is that he instruct the police and the law and the law-keeping authorities that all those people who have registered themselves, whether as speakers or participants, be allowed to enter. We could take a break of around 15 minutes or thereby, by which people who have registered can be allowed to enter.
Should have been done in the morning. Should have been done in the morning.
South Goa meeting has been postponed. Now we will show solidarity here. We will show solidarity here and we will stop the meeting.
How can we allow them to continue?
United.
The point I'm
Don't sell your soul.
The point I'm trying to make.
You're not making any points. You're only giving in to the government.
The point I'm trying to make is that. The point I'm trying to make is that. The point I'm trying.
Your 5 minutes is up.
The point I'm trying to make.
No.
The point I'm trying.
We don't want your suggestions. Don't sell Goa. Don't sell Goa.
The meeting has to be postponed.
All registered people are kept outside.
They are gone home also now.
Shame on you.
He's come today first time giving us Sunday. All our days. And he's come today Monday and he still wants to have this meeting. We don't mind coming again and again.
Since this meeting is not convened in accordance with law,
It's illegal.
legality or illegality is to be decided by the courts. So since this meeting is convened in breach of law, prescribed law, the meeting is irregular. Illegality is to be decided by the courts.
We got the point.
So the meeting.
Brother, thank you. We got your point.
Enough.
You got your turn to speak. You are not allowed to speak over there. So you wait for your turn. You wait for your turn. Wait for your turn.
Meeting being irregular.
Wait for your turn.
The meeting being irregular needs to be postponed and reconvened. The meeting being irregular needs to be postponed and reconvened.
Thanks, we got your point. Thank you. We got your point. Your 4 minutes is up.
Mr. Collector.
Your 4 minutes up.
4 minutes are up.
Your 4 minutes up.
Can you?
Your time up.
Can a decision be taken? Maybe we should all take a break for around some time. Till the collector.
You take a break. 15-day break.
You have a break. You take your break.
Enough of my speech.
Till the collector can consult and take a decision. Please give time to the collector. Please hold on.
You hold on.
Please.
You hold on.
Please give.
Your time up.
Your time up.
What are you talking? What is the law? What are you talking the fire?
Why the mic is on after 5 minutes? Why is he given the mic when his time is not come? Why the mic is given to him?
Mr. Gerald, we are giving you 15 minutes break. Go away.
Gerald, go away.
Mr. Gerald, go away.
Ring the bell.
Ring the bell.
Gerald, let her speak.
I request all the participants to occupy the seat and please help your fellow participant.
The participant says it needs to be postponed.
Sir, we have taken these things on record, your suggestions. Of course, it is under consideration. But I request all the participants to continue with this exercise which we are doing right now. All your inputs are on record. Everything is on record. There is nothing to worry. It's not that not even a single voice is not being recorded.
How can you say an illegal meeting goes on record?
Why you have kept out outside?
You conduct an illegal meeting. You do not have proper procedure.
Again, for the information of the House, all those who could not register or who could not come, they can also give their representation in the office of Goa Coastal Zone Management Authority. And as you know, whether it is spoken word or written word, if it is coming on record, it will be examined, analyzed, and that will help in refining the draft CZMP.
What I suggest to the people is that maybe we should give the.
He's hijacking the whole.
What are you?
He's sabotaging the whole.
Gerald, please shut up.
Collector, take him on your panel. Sit on the desk.
No government idea.
Collector, you make it up.
Mole is a mole. Take him out.
Gerald is a mole. Gerald is a mole.
Mr. Collector.
Give him the mic. Collector, give him the mic.
Gerald, you need to sit now.
Gerald, please sit down. 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 Gerald, please sit down.
Gerald, we don't want your suggestion. All are sensible people over here. Please, your time up. Your time up. We don't want your suggestion. Let them talk. No, they are giving. Let them talk. Take a
take the mic.
Aruna, you
Mr. Collector, is the time up for 5 minutes? Or you can allow half an hour, then we'll speak for half an hour also, no problem. Is it 5 minutes per person or is it more than that?
I request participants to take their seats. Next speaker is Sri Michael Dias. Sir, I appreciate you coming forward. I'm inviting.
I have not addressed
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
the points on the CZMP.
Let me come to the point. I am requesting participants to come forward and speak if they want to. The way, sir, you have come, we appreciate it.
The point I'm trying to make, Mr. Collector and the members on the dais is that I have not addressed the substance for what I have come here, that is the draft CZMP. I would suggest that, Mr. Collector, with all due respect to your service, I would suggest you take time out and take instructions from the Honorable Chief Minister or the Honorable Environment Minister so that a decision on a decision on this situation can be taken. This can otherwise go on till 5 o'clock, 5:30, and it will be fruitless. I am making a public suggestion, Mr. Collector. Making a public suggestion, Mr. Collector. Please take instructions from the Honorable Chief Minister and the Honorable Minister for Environment as to how this imbroglio is to be resolved. It can only be resolved by postponing. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. The next speaker is Sri Michael Dias.
Well done.
Sri Michael Dias. Sri Michael Dias from Mercy.
But when people are saying
Outside the gate. Police is standing in.
Outside the gate.
All those who have registered as participants are welcome in this hall at any point of time today till 5 p.m.
Michael Dias.
Sri Michael Dias, you have registered yourself as participant. You are present in the hall. I request you to come and speak.
Sir, they have locked him in the toilet. He's locked in the toilet.
Don't make a woman sit on a step over there, Mr. Roy.
Sri Michael Dias, please help the cause of Caesar MP. It's your turn. Please come and speak. Sri Michael Dias.
Scamster sitting on the stage.
Mr. Roy, there's a woman.
Aruna, since you are here, you can speak. There's no one on the mic. You can speak. Ask him.
Respect her and answer what she asked you, Mr. Roy.
As it has been explained, all the inputs are being taken on record. It will be examined. It will help in refining the Caesar MP draft plan.
Illegal meeting. Prove it in court, sir. Collector of Goa presiding over illegal meeting.
Sri Michael Dias.
Is Michael Dias here?
In the loose, sir, is locked up.
can't hear you outside the gate.
South Goa hearing is postponed now, sir. Then why you all are, wasting their time? Member Secretary, speak up. This is your office.
Coordination, sir, between North and South.
South Goa meeting has been postponed.
Member Secretary, this is your office.
Here we are sitting for meeting in North Goa, and this is
Sir, North and South Goa, only one.
South Goa. No South, no North.
Is there only one?
different for south and north.
Shri Michael
Blood
Das.
difference, sir. Blood is one, north and south.
Michael is not allowed entry.
He's in the toilet, locked up.
So Michael not allowed by police.
Shri Michael Das, you are present in the hall. Please come forward and speak. You have registered for this. Please come forward and speak. Shri Michael Das.
Outside, he cannot hear you.
Don't hold the mic. Hold the mic in your hand.
Michael is outside.
No, Michael, nobody is there. Stop the drama again. Stop the drama. 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 This is not done. Stop the drama. Not done right. Why not done? Stop the drama. Stop the drama. Stop the drama. It's not done. People are waiting outside. You can't conduct this drama here.
Why is a drama hall here?
Michael,
In a drama hall,
thank you for inviting us here because we are having our own drama.
Missing Michael Lobo is missing.
Michael Lobo is really missing here.
Sir, Master Michael Dyer machine missing लगता है, मशे फाइनल करो. मशे missing कब लगता है? मशे सोचा लगा भैया तो. Next. Next, sir, next.
After 2 minutes, you take every name and finish the meeting.
Minister of Ports is missing. Minister of Ports is missing.
So we are hungry, organize something. Chai pani. I'll pay.
South Goa collector can take the decision that why can't you being a North Goa collector? Is there too much of pressure on you? Is there too much of pressure on the CM or on the port minister or from the environment minister?
I'll speak to Modi, sir, no problem. I know he's
Sir, I'm not listening to the public, Mr. Roy.
He's got many sons all over.
Shri Michael Das, please come.
Sir, next. Missing.
We love Goa, we love our beaches, we want to protect
Yes,
it.
yes, sir, you can ask him to
Your plan is for sale, not for us.
Mr. Roy, there's a woman, Aruna Wagh, who's sitting over here on the steps for such a long time waiting for some answers from you. Can you please respect her and just answer? If you can't respect women, you won't respect anyone over here.
Stop
this, Mr. Roy. If the South collector will take a decision, it's for
Shri Thomas Rodrigues, Shri Victor Fernandez, Michael Das. It's your turn, sir. Kindly come and speak. You have registered for this, and I request the rest of the participants to help their fellow participants and allow them to speak. It's their turn.
He's here also leaving now. Your members are also leaving.
I think
Then the 5 minutes, all of you have discussed it, plan it out.
all are going to sleep on stage.
Collector sir, you are harassing your colleagues.
Just go backstage.
So order some black coffee, no sir. Strong coffee for your colleagues, they are sleeping.
Postpone the public
All the
hearing.
members are
Already ready to
on the stage, they want to sleep. Some black coffee will do, hot. I got Urag in my car.
The registered participants, Shri Thomas Rodrigues, Shri Victor Fernandez, and Shri Michael Das. It's your turn, sir. Please come forward and get your opinions, voices recorded. Use this opportunity to speak up.
This will be the best year in Kala Academy in 2021. One of the best years.
Without listening to the public.
And the best theatre goes to Ajit Roy. The best actor for the day. Ajit Roy.
ये हमारे कलेक्टर हैं, ये हमारे लोग हैं, और क्या हो रहा है?
I request all the participants to help their fellow participants. they have assembled here to express their opinion on draft Caesar MP. The next speaker is Alexio Fernandez. Alexio Fernandez. Sri Thomas Rodrigues, Prasad Harmalkar, Mr. Glon Victor Fernandez, Sri Michael Dias, and Sri Alexio Fernandez.
He is also must be standing.
I request all those who are present to come forward and speak one after another.
Stop the drama! Stop the drama!
You have your first speaker who's still waiting.
Yeah,
for
you
answers.
sitting there and you're not answering her.
You're just
So give her one to answer and then please
speak.
speak. Please answer.
No, I think so. Roy has given North Goa collector for a particular. So he has to listen to his higher boss. No, he can't say anything here.
Yeah, he messed up with the railways.
Yes! Especially South
So you
Goa.
do one thing. Railways he messed up. So he's come to know.
Must be the most obedient officer.
Just listen. He's for the MLA. Not for the people. That's why he's promoted here.
I request all the participants to give their inputs to draft Caesar MP.
Mr. Roy, please listen.
That has been the purpose of this public hearing.
What purpose?
Please respect your time to come here for this purpose. Please respect your time and time of your fellow participants. Please bring your points on the table.
Mr. Collector.
What drama you are taking here? Here is a public hearing.
Take a decision. South Goa is postponed. Why can't you postpone? We are united here. We don't want this to go on.
We are Goa.
That's it. That is the beauty of Goinkar Pond. Goa.
One voice.
Except in elections.
We shall rise for Goa, no matter what. Send this message to your MLAs and to your ministers.
1, 2, 3.
Participants who are present here are requested to come one after another and bring their points on board.
Stop the drama! Stop!
The team is here to listen to you, to record your opinions and your voices.
You are feeling sleepy, sir. Get hot blood.
Let's play some Antakshari. We are one Goa.
We will rock you.
Yes.
Rock you. So you.
We shall overcome all illegalities.
We don't say it.
All the registered speakers kindly come forward and speak one after another.
This meeting is illegally conducted.
So some are out, some
No
are in the toilet,
proper
some are locked,
notification.
some are missing.
It is a shame for you as collector of North Goa to chair such a meeting.
Please bring all your inputs on board. Please speak one after another. Everything is being recorded.
But we have not
Kindly
spoken
come
anything.
forward and speak.
We have not spoken anything. What do you have recorded, sir?
Only Gerald spoke, sir.
Kindly come forward
Only
and
Gerald
speak.
spoke.
Please respect your time and time of your fellow participants.
Please respect Aruna's time and please answer her first.
Yes.
Sitting on the stairs.
Respect the lady, no, sir. Respect the lady.
Please understand the meaning of public consultation. Bring your points on
This is a scam.
Give your inputs and everything will go in defining this draft plan. That's my duty to explain the whole purpose and the process involved. Your inputs are getting recorded. Prasad Halmarkar, okay. I request, sir.
Respected officers, Mr. Collector, people gathered around here. Now for the last 2 hours we've been only expressing protest against this thing. I am not talking anything with regards to the subject matter in this day to day, that is the CZMP plan. But I am expressing my protest against what is happening. First and foremost, I endorse the very I endorse Mr. Kashinath Shetty what he said. First and foremost, 60 days of time was not given as per law. Secondly, 15 days time for change of venue is not given. They call this a public hearing, but it's within closed doors with a few people over here. That also doesn't serve the very purpose of this meeting. The honorable people sitting on the dais has not expressed anything. So at the end of the day, they say it is a public hearing, and who's without public? What do we express? How do we express? So, in my opinion, I think the authorities should take note of this and please postpone this with the public, for the public, and by the public. Please do not be autocratic. Please, we respect your positions, we respect everybody here, but please do not take Goa and Goans for granted. I beg of you, please help us out to give a very good plan for this beautiful state of ours. Let it not be bulldozed and sabotaged for things which it should not happen. Please, once again, we beg of you to please conduct a proper hearing with public on this CZMP plan so that we can draw a beautiful plan for our beautiful Goa. Thank you.
Thank you. Now I request Sri Alexio Fernandez to come forward. And the names which I have taken earlier, Sri Thomas Rodrigues, Sri Victor Fernandez, Sri Michael Dias, and Sri Alexio Fernandez. It's your turn, sir. Kindly come forward and talk. Please respect your time and the time of fellow participants.
Next. Respect our time, sir. The next. They are not coming next.
I request all the participants who are present here to come forward one after another and speak up. Your inputs are being recorded here by the team which is sitting here, which will go as an input in improving the draft CZMP.
This input should have been taken before preparing the plan. Now you have prepared the plan and now you are taking the inputs. You should have taken it before.
For the benefit of the House, this is not the final plan, we call it draft plan. Public consultation is being held. Take your inputs. As I said, that input will go in refining all the provisions of the draft CZMP.
10 years.
So this is that opportunity when you must speak up. So I request again all these speakers to come forward one after another and talk.
10 years I took.
Postpone.
Sri Thomas Rodrigues.
Postpone.
Please come forward. Please respect your time and time of your fellow participants.
Don't be repetitive.
Sri Victor Fernandez.
Police is stopping him.
Postpone the meeting, sir.
Postpone.
Sri Michael Dias.
Michael missing.
Postpone.
Not missing. He's not allowed.
Postpone
Sri
the
Alexio
meeting.
Fernandez.
Postpone the meeting.
Not allowed by the authorities.
Mr. Roy, please postpone the meeting.
Postpone the meeting.
Please answer to Aruna Vaz. She's been sitting on the step. I think that's the respect you're giving her. You're the collector of North Goa.
All these participants are present in the hall. Kindly come forward and speak up. Your inputs will help in refining draft CZMP for Goa.
Postpone.
That is what I see.
Roy, please answer to Aruna Vaz. She's waiting there. Mr. Roy, please don't be a puppet. Please listen to the public. You're appointed.
Next speaker,
Mr. Roy,
Sri Tito Proexika. Sri Tito Proexika. It's your turn, sir. Kindly come forward.
Speaker is forward, sir.
Sir, next speaker is Adani.
Jindal.
Can I speak for Adani and Ambani, sir? I don't mind.
Kindly come forward and use this opportunity to bring your points to the notice of administration.
Postpone.
This administration is well aware that they took more than 10 years to prepare this plan, the draft. Till date, it has so many illegalities. So other officers who are appointed, why are they taking salary? They should resign and go home.
Sir, I request you to introduce yourself and get all these points recorded here. Please come forward. That is the purpose of this public hearing. Please come forward, get all these inputs recorded.
This meeting has been illegally called by you without following due procedure of law.
Sir, why
Being the collector of Goa, you should be ashamed
Please
to
use
chair
this
such a
opportunity
meeting.
to talk, bring all the points on board.
Sir, why the 60
Sri
days
Thomas
are not given
Rodrigues,
to us?
All our points are on live,
Sri
sir.
Glom Carvalho,
Watching you, conducting this.
Sri Victor Fernandez, Sri Michael Dias, Sri Alexio Fernandez,
Postpone the meeting.
Sri Tito Proexica. So all of you are present in the hall. Please come forward, use this opportunity and bring your point on board.
Answer.
So what points?
Postpone the
So what
meeting.
points? What objections? There is no map which has reached to the panchayat. What objections? Without plans. Sir, if I want to build a bungalow or a small jhopadi, forget a house, I need a plan. Without a plan, how can I go ahead? When the plan has not reached the panchayat, the local body, which is Panchayati Raj Act, how can we go ahead? So you need to give us a plan. Based on the plan, we will study and then we'll give our inputs. And then you can put it to the management committee. But so right now you have to postpone the meeting and take the proper inputs. Don't override, sir. We are not fools. We are educated people. We are not stupid.
So please introduce yourself and get all the points recorded. I request all the participants who are present in the hall to come forward, use this opportunity, use your slot, speak up and get everything recorded here.
No need.
Please listen to the public and
Once you
answer
get the plan,
to
we'll give you our
sitting
inputs.
on
Please
this
respect
bench
your
over
time and time of your fellow participants.
Sir, you're wasting our time.
Sir, please respect our time, sir. Please respect our time.
Respect our time and postpone the meeting.
We have sacrificed our time here, sir. We are not on payroll, sir.
You're the North Goa newly appointed collector. You've never faced this issue before.
Have the courage to look us in
Sri
the eyes.
Thomas Rodrigues,
Is
Sri
he a
John
robot?
Carvalho,
Is this collector a robot? He's just on a repeat mode.
Sri Victor Fernandez, Sri Michael Dias, Sri Alexio Fernandez, Sri Tito Proexica. Please come forward, sir.
Sir, they are out.
Sir, please respect our time,
That
sir.
was much better
We have
than
sacrificed our Sunday here. We are not on the payroll. You are not conducting illegally.
We haven't heard Mr. Secretary introduce
You have not. Madam is sitting there for the last 2.5 hours. You are not able to give her one
The
answer.
first speaker.
The first speaker is not satisfied. Yeah, you are not answering. What kind of consultation is this?
Respect her in this.
Answer her
I
first.
respect her time. I respect her time. She also has the
Then she's still waiting for her answer.
Mr. Roy, some waterfalls at least.
It cannot be a one-way traffic. Mr. Collector.
Mr. Collector, water for us.
Roy,
Need to show some water.
please answer Sawal.
When will the secretary introduce
Adani Ambani is they'll speak now. Rama will speak for them.
They must be at the other way.
Mr. Roy, need to show some waterfalls.
I request all the participants to use this time well.
Enough.
Please speak up, your turns have come, sir. Sri Tito Proexica, Sri Alexio Fernandez, Sri Michael Dias, Sri Victor Fernandez,
So what is the name of member secretary? I want some water because I'm really thirsty.
Please give water, sir.
Yes.
For the benefit of the house, we have made arrangement of drinking water outside this auditorium. All are free to go, take water and come back. Thank you. As I had explained at the beginning of this proceeding, that canteen is open.
You
can go out for lunch over there, which will be on paid basis.
You're only selective when you're answering.
I request these speakers to kindly come forward and use this opportunity to bring their point on board. Sri Thomas Rodrigues, Sri Glon Carvalho, Sri Victor Fernandez from Diwar, Sri Michael Dias, Sri Alexio Fernandez, and Sri Tito Proexica. Kindly come forward, use this opportunity properly.
What kind of opportunity is this? Illegal. When you are doing an illegal
So we
meeting,
Goans don't believe in
the public
illegality.
is outside. You can see the auditorium, it's empty.
Look at the member secretary. So why फेंका इला सिनेमा हम सुसेगा Look at him, man. He's not even bothered about our Goans and our feelings. I don't know his name. He has not introduced to us.
So what's the name of the member secretary on the...
What is happening is right or
Only
wrong?
2 people introduced. After that, no one introduced.
Maybe the
translator can introduce the member secretary in Konkani.
How they are conducting this illegal hearing? The member secretary take him.
I request participants to come forward and bring their points on board.
What is going on?
This is the height of making fun of public. How can we give you a reply?
This is the height of making fun.
Absolute insult.
You are insulting Goa.
Absolute insult of public participation.
This goes by not listening to us. The only one.
Sir, you are insulting Goa.
This goes by not listening to us. Our precious time is getting wasted here. Silvera, don't give voice to the public.
Sir, please do come and give your views.
Mr. Silvera,
You are also part of the government. Let us know what is your view on this meeting.
Yes, Silvera, you should do that, please.
Mr. Silvera,
Silvera, please come and say something.
Please come and let us common people here. They're not being heard. Mr. Silvera, please come.
Yeah, please come, take the mic, say something.
Public are spending their time
Mr. Silvera,
come to the
you're the only elected representative here. You're the only elected representative here.
I request speakers, participants to introduce themselves and get their voice recorded.
Mr. Silvera, please come. You're the only elected representative here.
Tito Proexica,
Now MLA was amongst us to say give his views. Because
Sri Alexio Fernandez,
knowledgeable person on this.
Sri Michael Dias, Sri Victor Fernandez,
Tom Cruise.
Sri Glon Carvalho, Sri Thomas Rodrigues. Sir, it's your turn. Kindly come forward and get your voice recorded.
Do not listen to us.
Silvera, let us also see what is your views.
Yeah.
MLA Silvera,
Mr.
let us also see
Mr.
what is your
Silvera,
views. Let everybody hear that.
Mr. Silvera, you're not supposed to talk to the media. You've come for a public hearing. Please talk on behalf of the public here.
He's doing private hearing now.
Yeah, exactly. Sir, my request for you.
If our own
Let us
I respect your presence.
present us here.
Just